Hey y'all, today's video is actually really exciting because I've been wanting to try this hairstyle for some time now, and it's like, well, why not now? If not now, then when type mentality. And this is the perfect summer hairstyle. So the first thing we want to do, by the way, you're at Rock Natural. Thank you to all my new subscribers. This channel you can expect to get beauty tips weekly on makeup, hair, and skincare. I'm giving you the best of the best and on a budget. So I'm starting off on a freshly washed and go, freshly washed hair. And this is just to give a curlier effect. If you're going for more of like a froey effect than like an old wash and go, old twist out, old braid out, something of that sort will work just fine as well. Okay, so for this hairstyle, you want to part your hair into 3 sections, one at the ear and then one at the ear going straight across. So let's start with the one at the ear. This is my first time trying this hairstyle. I have done a mohawk hairstyle before, which you can check out here. But this is my first time doing this type of mohawk style. So I'm just separating my hair into the sections like so, and just filling to make sure it's like semi-straight. And just grab a hair tie, put it in a hair tie. Then you want to take your fingers again and part straight across, starting at the ear and then straight across. This will give you the 2 other sections that you need. And then you have all 3 sections, and I'm getting ready to show you what that looks like. Show you from the back. 1, 2, 3. Mines are very messy, and it's really up to you how you want to do it. So I'm going to connect the top one and the middle one by using a hair tie. Start with the back. So I'm going to start by putting this in a tighter ponytail, maybe just 1, 2, 3 loops, like so. It can be as neat or as messy as you like. I'm doing mine a little messier, like not super neat, because I want it to have like a puffy effect at the roots a little bit. I don't want my roots to be super slick, but like I said, it's up to you how you want to do that. Then you want to go ahead and put the middle section in the same type of ponytail. So for me, I'm going to do 3 kind of like loops. Like so. Now we have 2 sections. Then do the top section. I will probably slick my edges in the front, but I'll do that once I get there. And then you can put this how high to the top as you want or how far back. Put mine like right in the center. And then we're gonna do the 3 loops. Okay, so now we have our 3 loops. And my hair is getting really long, but you could leave it like this. And you'll see in the video I talked about earlier that that's a possibility, but for this particular hairstyle, we're doing some loops. So now that we have the top, you want to start at the top and put these in buns. So I'm just flipping mine over and then bobby pinning them. And then you want to do the same to the back, but instead of folding it down like this, I'm going to fold mine to the front. So it'll be loop to the front like this. And then cover 2 loops. And then for the back, I'm also gonna bobby pin this to the front, kind of at the base of the middle section, like so. And then you see that there's some hanging out. So now I just want to go back and fix any of the sections that I'm not loving. I gotta look at my mirror up close to see. So now I like how it's loose looking, but of course you can go and bobby pin whatever sections, and I like these little hangies in the back. I might just put a hairpin, which is different than a bobby pin, and just connect that a little bit. Now we're gonna go ahead and slick our edges. I think I want some down on the side, kind of messy like. But like I said, I still want mine to have like a poofy effect, so I'm slicking. And then for the baby hairs, we're gonna swoop these things like that, and then do the same thing to the other side. This is just how I slick my baby hairs, but do your baby hairs however you would. Voila. In today's video, we learned how to do this quick, very cute, in-season hairstyle using only a few products, and it was very quick. I did mine on a fresh wash and go, but you can also do yours on an old twist out, an old braid out, or any other style. I would say this works better with curly or natural hair. Straight hair, you can make it work, but it probably wouldn't have as much volume. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on those weekly tips. Girl, you know you need your weekly beauty tips. And I'll see you in my next upload. See you.